Hello and welcome to our next video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can have your call history displayed with your telephone and how you can organize your call history. You can have your call history displayed by moving left from the home button on your telephone menu. The list that you see shows the entire history of your recent calls, inbound and outbound. By using the arrows, you can move left, right, up and down to click through the call list. Further, you can also have more information displayed, such as the duration of a call. Every entry shows following information. Was a call established or not? If a connection could not be established, you will see a red handset symbol displayed next to the call. Otherwise, the handset is displayed in gray. Also, you can see whether it was an inbound or outbound call by the direction of the arrow that is displayed right next to the handset. Further, following details will be displayed: telephone number and, if applicable, name of the contact, date and time of the call. You can also have additional information displayed by selecting the call and by clicking on Show Details. If you would like to delete one call or your entire call list from your call history, select the entry and click through the navigation until you reach either Delete Entry or Delete List. Please note, once you have deleted the list, it cannot be restored. We would be happy to receive your feedback on topics we could discuss in our next video tutorials. Simply suggest your ideas by writing us a comment and we will create the tutorials accordingly. If you like our series, we would be delighted if you gave us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to activate the alarm to have the latest videos displayed. Thanks for watching and until next time.